It's typically hard to stick to your values, to your positive beliefs, and to your affirmations in life because sometimes the situations might get out of control. But in today's video, I'm going to share with you 4 tips that will help you stay grounded to your choices, to your personal beliefs, no matter what the situation is. You can always stick around what you believe, and you can always have that positive belief in your life. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. My name is Maitri Shah. I'm a content writer, content creator, mindset coach, relationship coach, and an NLP practitioner in training. Now today's video is one of your suggested topics. Someone had asked me on Instagram that how to stick to your personal beliefs, how to not get distracted, how to stay grounded to what you believe in, how to not get flown away by what other people say. Now this is such an important topic, right? Because it happens that in the course of life, when situations are not in our control, or when we are too much distracted by other people, or when their judgments affect us, we forget what we believe. We forget to stay grounded to our personal beliefs. So in today's video, I'm going to suggest you 4 important tips that will help you in sticking to what you believe. But before that, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I post more videos. I know I have been a little bit away from YouTube, but I assure you I'll be back on YouTube consistently. And also, if you like my content, then please make sure to like, comment and share. Now let's get you started. The very first suggestion is that identify your feelings. Meaning, identify where in your body are you feeling what. Say for example, when someone says something and you certainly feel that what you think is different, that you are going away from your belief, from your values, then identify what's happening with your body. Sometimes we do feel that there is an anxiety going on inside us, or we feel that our hands are shaking, our body is shaking a little bit, or we start sweating. Identify what is happening within your body and then think about what are the thoughts that are happening. Meaning, if you feel that you are getting distracted, you are going away from your belief because of what they told or because of whatsoever the situation may be, then ask yourself, what do I believe in? Is this thing that is happening right now right, or what I am, who the person I am, what the person thinks is right? Ask yourself the differences between what you were and what you are trying to become. Try to ask yourself tons of questions about it. Say for example, you can ask yourself that whatever they are saying or whatever is happening right now, is that going to make sense to me in the future, or does that even make sense to me in the present? If the answer is yes, then you have got your answer that maybe you have to shift your belief from your old belief to your new belief. But if your answer is little bit even confusing, then you can again try to keep on asking yourself tons of questions about what should I do? How can I overcome it? What if I accept the current truth and then reflect on the same question tomorrow? You might get different answers, but this process will help you in analyzing and understanding what do you believe in and what do you want to believe in going ahead. So very first thing is that identify your feelings, and that we are going to do by 2 ways: identifying what is happening within our body and identifying what are the thoughts that are coming up in our mind, and trying to differentiate between the past us and the future us or the present us that we are trying to become. My second suggestion is that repeat the truth that you hear in your mind to yourself. See, at times in life when certain situations come up and where we feel that we are going away from our belief, or where we have to do something because just the situation is forcing us to do, then repeat the truth that you believe in yourself to yourself. Meaning, if you think that this is just temporary, I have to make this small shift in my life for a temporary amount of time, for a limited amount of time, then repeat that to yourself so that you don't settle in that new thing for forever, because that might not be even reflecting to your personal belief. When you keep on repeating those words that, you know what, this is temporary, tomorrow I'm going to go back to what I believe to, then definitely you will be able to make that shift from today to tomorrow. Yes, for a certain period of time you'll have to transfer your thoughts to the new thing because of the situation, but then again you can go back to your personal beliefs tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, whenever things settle down. So what we are going to do is that we are going to repeat the truth that we believe, that abides by our personal belief to ourselves. We are going to say it loud enough so that our mind can store it, so that we believe in ourselves and we can reflect on it again. My third suggestion is that if you start feeling that you are going away from your personal belief, then what we are going to do is we are going to relearn our old beliefs, our old values and our old truths. See, at times it is okay for us as human beings to get deviated because of the situation or because of the surrounding. But then when in a moment we start feeling that no, this is not me, no, this is not what I used to be, and if you really want to go back to that old person, that who you were, because that person was definitely better than what you are currently, then you are going to relearn all the old lessons of life. Say for example, if you were someone who used to think a lot positive about competition, but certainly right now because of your job or because of your career demands, you have started becoming very competitive in nature. Then you're going to reflect on yourself. You're going to ask yourself questions like, was I really competitive so much? Is being competitive giving me good things in life? Of course, being competitive is good, but that competition should not lead you to greed or ego. So you can ask yourself that, am I becoming too greedy? Am I becoming too much egoistic? Am I harming people around me? When you ask yourself certain questions like these, then you will try to analyze that what's the difference between the old person and the new person. And when that click will happen in the mind that no, I was someone better when I was competitive, but then I was not too much competitive that I led to greediness or egoism. So then you're going to relearn all your old habits of how much boundary you want to set for being competitive. So my third suggestion is that we are going to relearn all our old values and all our old beliefs. And how can we do that? When you keep on asking yourself certain questions and when you start getting those answers, you're going to write that down in your book, and then you're going to go back to the person who you were, and you're also going to write down all the old good lessons that you had learned. When you start writing it down, you will try to understand, or your mind will be able to understand that this old person is much better than what you are today. Now, my fourth and the last suggestion is that accept your feelings. Whatever is happening with you, let it happen. Don't judge yourself. If you feel that you are going away from your personal belief, your values, then accept it, that yes, I'm changing, I know that, but then again, what is happening wrong with me? You can ask yourself that, is changing my current belief to a new belief making me a bad person or making me a good person? You don't have to be lot pushy with yourself. You just have to accept whatever feeling you are getting, and then you can write it down if you want to, so that you let go all your beliefs and let go all your feelings. See, acceptance of whatever is happening in life will give you the motivation to also relearn or to also consider what is right and what is wrong for you. But if you don't even accept your feelings, and if you try to ignore the fact that your old beliefs don't match with the new beliefs and that your new beliefs are not letting you go further ahead in your life, if you don't accept all the changes that are happening with you, then you'll not be able to move ahead. Then you will not be able to understand if things are right or wrong for you. So fourth suggestion is very simple. Accept your feelings. Don't be too hard. Just try to analyze and write them down so that you can let go of whatever is happening with you. So these were my 4 suggestions that can help you in sticking to your personal beliefs, no matter what the situation is, no matter what the influence you are in, and no matter what is happening in your surrounding. You know, in life it is always good to reflect back on what you think is good for you, what you think you're going to benefit from, and what you think can be good for people around you too. So I hope that you will try following these 4 things, and I hope that today's video was useful. If it was useful, then please make sure that you like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any other topics in mind, please feel free to drop a comment here, or you can even message me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe and believe in yourself. You matter.